Turquoise waves crash, flamingos strut pink against white sand. Aruba isn't just a beach postcard, it's your adrenaline playground. First trip nerves? Let's turn them into pure excitement. Aruba, the one happy island, packs Dutch charm, desert ruggedness, and Caribbean ease into 70 square miles. Perfect for beginners craving safe, diverse adventures. Education enthusiasts, this guide persuades you. Crystal waters, no hurricanes, and English everywhere make it the ideal launchpad for tropical confidence. Broadly, Aruba sits outside the hurricane belt. Sun shines 360 days, 82 degrees Fahrenheit average. Activities span chill to thrill, snorkel shipwrecks, kiteboard trade winds, or ATV across cacti-dotted Arikok National Park. Its persuasive, compact size means one morning at Baby Beach, afternoon at California Lighthouse, all drivable in 30 minutes. Specifics ignite curiosity. Palm Beach offers beginner-friendly snorkeling, rent gear $15, spot parrotfish in 10 feet water. Arikok covers 20% of island, $11 entry, hike to natural pool, Conchi, via 4x4 tour $90. De Palm Island all-inclusive, $120, includes banana boats, flamingo encounters. Orania Stot's colorful murals beg Insta stops, duty-free shops save 25%. Eagle Beach, world's number 3 per TripAdvisor, perfect for sunset yoga. Winds average 15 knots, kite lessons $80/hour. Practical playbook, fly direct Oahu, $400 round trip, book Tuesday arrivals for 20% hotel dip. Rent compact car $45 per day, roads excellent. Stay high-rise strip, $150/night, or Airbnb downtown, $100. Budget $1,200 per week solo, flights $400, lodging $700, meals $200, local $12, activities $300. Pack reef safe sunscreen, water shoes. Download Aruba Roads app for traffic. Visit September, lowest rates, calm seas. Your Aruba story starts with one splash, confidence included. Snorkel reefs or ATV desert, which thrill calls first? Share in comments.